have a Widow.
I'm about to scan the
They have Zen, Ball, Widow, and Rissa.
Ow. You ever just shoot yourself with a rocket?
Tracer, they have a Tracer.
All the time.
There's Zen as well.
Oh,
my
no.
God.
We need to go somewhere. We can't stay here.
Yeah.
Go up top. It's just Zen there.
I must look for bridge.
Yeah.
That way we can have a little bit more defense.
I'll help with Ball too.
I'm so fucking stuck in a corner. I'm gonna
No.
Go on Zen, go on Zen.
Wrecking Ball is in the middle, messing with the back lane.
They've got some fucking squishies, so
Oh!
should be good here.
Tracer, no recall. The Mercy's.
You're covered.
Whoa.
Damn.
That's
My God, dude.
Scratch, you'll be fine.
We need to probably dive Widow Village. I mean, she's ripping us right now.
Well, I'm more
We just need
concerned
to
about this
identify
ball in the
and-
back line. What's our solution
Yeah,
to
I'm
that?
gonna go Sombra, okay? I'll hack the ball.
Yeah.
Because Brig needs to bash, and then we need to sleep him as soon as he gets up again. Like, keep him down. Save those cooldowns specifically for. And we should be able to take him down.
Tracer hack? Oh, no, she's not. I got damage interrupted.
Oh.
Fuck.
I feel like
fuck,
maybe I
fuck.
should switch out Virgil. I think I'm gonna go Moira because it's a lot of group healing that needs to be done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
that'd
So
be good.
obviously Nuke can only heal so much as Anna.
Yeah. I have Nano.
Ah, yes.
Shield now.
Stormwind music. Beautiful.
I require assistance. Enemies on my radar. You're going to be okay.
Wrecking Ball's in.
Oh,
Oh.
I was trying to get rid of those and I forgot what was back there. C9, baby. You know, why is there no Phantom of the Opera Warrior?
He's sleeping.
Oh. This feels like they just kicked it up to a high level, a high gear. Like, what the hell? I feel like they're even better than last time.
They had a guy sub in who might be concerned.
It'll take more than that. To
Yeah,
keep me out of
the Wrecking Ball subbed in.
Yeah.
touch from afar.
Do you want me to go to a third tank? And we can try to push him that way? I can go like a hog. I'm gonna do that.
Let's just go pushing this way to the right.
I excited the enemy.
Oh, as a group. Healers come with us, so Wrecking Ball can't get on us in here. Dive.
Shield low, shield low, shield low, shield gone, shield.
I'm on my way up.
What?
Okay. Just let it run out before we push.
I'm dropping down.
I have Nano for you.
I have no shield, no shield.
You're powered up. Get in there.
Trace it down, trace it down.
Dead low, dead low, dead low.
Widow very low.
Wrecking Ball on point.
Watching your back.
Oh my god, I hooked him out of his ult.
Nice.
Widow, Widow.
Great timing.
Good job.
Fire. Keep out of my way.
Huge. I'm gonna push up and
Big
try to
mood right
hold him
there.
back.
Oh, fuck.
I got
I almost
Tracer.
forgot to record this one again. Goddamn.
Oh shit, actually I did. I'm gonna start recording right now.
There it goes. Alright, it'll start after first point. Damn it, that's the one we needed.
Securing the payload.
I mean, as long as I can export the plays clip to you guys, so we can have all of it. I've been recording
me
for
out
a
of
straight
here,
3 hours now.
Nap time.
Good.
Wrecking Ball down.
Monkey, 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 monkey,
Yeah, look for them.
monkey, monkey.
I hear Tracer, careful.
Yeah,
Throwing Dark Orb.
Okay. I'm looking for Shatter, I'm looking for Shatter. They're playing high ground right now, so
I need help. I need help in the back. I need help in the back. I need help in the back.
Widow's sleeping by the mini.
Oh, fuck.
Moira, don't chase, come back.
I'm not.
You're going to
Here,
I'm
tanks are.
discorded, I'm discorded. Shield low, shield low.
I got ulti. I'm on my way.
Yeah, I'm in sleeping.
Monkey anti,
Monkey's
monkey
purple,
anti.
monkey's purple.
I have nano again.
I'm breaking his bubble.
Hey, Widow's on the top of the air gun.
I'm gonna go. You guys can push through main. I'm gonna go through this little right tunnel and I'm gonna try and shatter, okay?
Oh
Oh no.
Never mind, never mind. I'm gonna hold, I'm gonna hold.
Hey, pull back, Village. Pull back, pull back.
Coming.
We have coalescence,
much better than a cabana.
full hog. We have a lot of ults.
They're just ulting. They caught my tool.
You're going to
They Widow ult too.
Alright, no more.
Oh, widows.
Widow
Widow behind, widow behind, widow behind!
Okay, take cover, take cover.
Or Widow down. Tracer
All top, all
Mercedes.
top, all top.
You're not getting rid of me that.
You have no
I
heals.
need help in the side room. I need help in the side room. I need help. I need help.
I'm almost with you, Ren, to help.
No, it's okay. Let's just go. We need to go back main. We need to go back main. We need to
Yeah,
push.
gotta get back to point.
I will keep you healed.
We need to kill ball when he does this. We need to kill ball when he does this. We need to CC him. I'm stuck.
Oh man.
I'm waiting for him to go in. Can we touch point? Can we touch point?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Touch.
Tracer's still
I need
behind.
heals, I need heals. Ryan needs heals on point.
Oh, you have.
I watch out for the ball trying to knock us off.
Oh shit, that hurts.
I'm gonna shatter once shield's broken.
Alright.
I'm trying to break it. It's broken.
Nim, you're going to be. You're powered up. Get in there.
Okay, Zen.
Zen.
Monkey's purple.
Monkey's
Widow up top,
purple.
Widow up top. On top of the mountain.
Widow up top, guys. To our left. Left with point. Back left with point.
Widow's half, Widow's half. I'm on Widow.
Monkey sleeping. Can you pin him?
Mercy,
Can you
mercy,
pin him?
mercy, mercy, mercy. Monkey.
Go relock.
Monkey very low. Monkey very low.
Ball down.
Watching your back.
Fuck.
Oh no.
The last two.
Monkey's main.
Careful, guys. Stay on
Or
point.
sorry, Widow's main.
Stay point, guys.
Alright, push Chris Rico down.
My DM's half.
Widow's up top.
Oh, they
Widow
well.
behind. Oh, yeah, up top.
I
Widow ult, Widow
don't.
ult.
I need heals. Ryan needs heals.
Watch for the shatter.
Yeah, watch the shadow. Stay on point. Just stay on point. I'm coming, guys. I'm coming. Hold on just a little bit longer. Oh
I got
no.
the Zen.
Oh well.
So we need a strong defense.